it?
What happened to your shirt again?
It's a burp.
Pakarating lang ni Anika, guys. I just had shower, guys. Ulko fillet of the rabbit. May bowl kami, guys, ng rabbit meat. Hello, Ray, guys. Good morning. So, napalitan ko na ng diaper si baby, guys. Pero si Nico lang magpapalit ng damit kasi ang dami niyang dulay. Happy Peter si baby. Kaya, kailangan napalit ng damit.
Here tickles.
Tickles. Does it feel? Any tickles?
It did.
So, while nagpapalit si Nico, guys, ng diaper kay baby, ako naman is gagawa nitong aming very quick pasta. Kasi wala pala kaming food dito sa bahay. Naubos na. So, lutuin ko muna to para makakain kami. Supposedly today, pupunta kami ng ukay-ukay, pero hindi na lang kasi nga late kami, guys. Nagising. Kasi after ng school, nahatid si Anika or kinuha si Anika ng kanyang school taxi, natulog kami ulit. And 12 na kami nagising. Ayan, so tamang-tama. Ready na to pagdating ni Anika. Kakain na kami ni Nico, guys, kasi nakapagluto na ako ng pasta. Of course, habang kumakain ako, hindi naman pwede na hindi kumain yung isa, no? Kasi sisigaw to, guys. Gutom na rin to kasi nga kakatain niya lang. Ganun naman talaga kapag after umihi ng marami or tumae kapag nag-diaper change. Gutom na agad siya. Kaya ngayon, habang kakain ako, didede din siya. So, ayan, habang ako ay kakain, yes, didedit din siya. So, ayan na yung aming pasta, guys. Haluin na lang natin to. I think, Daddy, we have juice there in the fridge. Ayan. Mga unta, everyone. Baby's also drinking milk. And we're going to eat. Kasi gutom na talaga ako, guys. Palaging gutom kapag nagpapadede. So, si baby is andito. Ayan, o. Meron naman akong breastfeeding pillow. Kaya, she's okay there. That's enough? In Philippines, Daddy, when you give birth, there will be like neighbors who will come and help you. Ah, napuri. Neighbors. Grandma. The grandma of your neighbor. It's like when you're building a child, it's like there's a community who will be. I mean, building when you gave birth to a child, it's like the community is always there to help the mom. That's why it's much easier. And maybe the postpartum depression is not so much. I think there is, but there is still postpartum depression. But at least there will be like friends and friends of friends who always come and visit every day. So you can cope with it. But in here, there's nobody. It's just we're on our own.
Kyllä. Joo, se on muuttunut täälläkin.
Is it before like that as well?
Ne ei ehkä not so, ehkä ne on not so radical tai semmoinen. Ja Suomessa niin like it can be like a distant. It's not so closely.
Yeah.
And they live another city or something.
Yeah. It was nice, like, can visit grandma. Heidi came to visit.
Niin. No joo,
Somehow
se
we
on
have
kyllä.
neighbors who remember, gave us a card, and that is also something.
On. Joo, siinä mielessä kyllä.
That is also something nice.
Kyllä. Se on kuuma.
Busog na ang parents, guys. Are you full?
Yeah, that's good.
What's next?
Waiting Annika ja coffee time.
Coffee time. And ang baby is ito. Edit mode pa rin. O, di ba? Kapag hinintay ka pa to, guys, matapos magdede, na, gusla ng inahan, guys. Gutom na ako by that time. Kaya ganito na lang naisip ko, ilagay ko siya dito sa breastfeeding pillow. Para habang kumakain ako, dumidede na rin siya. O, di ba? Win-win situation tayo, guys. Paraan lang talaga. Kasi ng mga previous days and weeks, guys, nahirapan talaga kami. Kasi nga, hindi pa ganun karami yung aking gatas. Tapos, kumakain si Nico and Anika. Tapos ako hindi pa kumakain. So, sumasakit ang ulo ko, nagagalit ako. Alam niyo yun, kapag gutom ka, galit ka. Ganun. Kasi nga, malilipasan ako ng gutom palagi kapag ganun. So, ngayon, naisip pa namin na ganituhin na lang talaga siya. At least, comfortable naman siya dito sa breastfeeding pillow. Bahala na nagkamuritsing ang inahan. Ani kayo, Uy, just me marimar. Basta okay lang siya, guys. Busog siya. So, everything is okay. Basta busog and comfortable yung bata. Diba? Ganun naman talaga. Tulungan lang din kami dito sa bahay kasi wala naman kaming ibang aasahan, kami lang din dalawa din dito sa bahay ni Nico. Look at this baby, she's so full. Now she fell, nakatulog na, guys. Ayan na. So ipapaburp ko muna to. Tapos magkakape daw si Nico. Ako gatas lang naman ako. Ayan. Ayan, tulog na, guys. Busog. Busog. Magagatas lang ako, guys. Tapos si Nico ang magkakape. Madalas ganun naman talaga. It's either tsaa lang ako o kaya gatas o kaya water kapag nagko-coffee kami. Hindi ibig sabihin na nagkakape din ako. Lalo na nung struggle pa ako sa aking gatas, guys. Dito na naman siya sa kabilang side, guys, kasi dito na naman siya magta-try na mananggot. Mananggot ang kadya bata. Sa kabilang side na naman siya dede, guys. Diba? So, nakapag-coffee na kami and busog pa yung ating bebe, diba? Ito yung sa akin gatas lang. Tapos, pabili ako kay Nico ng donut doon sa store. I think Anika is coming now.
Ei ole vielä.
Makarating lang ni Anika, guys. How was your school?
Good school.
Are you tired?
Yo.
Oy. Pagod daw siya, guys. Okay, you eat well and we have donut. Sa school, pero naging routine kasi dito, napakainin pa rin siya sa bahay pagdating, guys, para busog talaga. Kasi minsan, yung food sa school, hindi niya gusto. Kaya, pagdating sa bahay, kumakain siya ulit. Guys, kakapalit niya lang ng damit. Tapos napansin ko, meron na naman siyang puti doon sa gilid and on the other side. I need to change. Hi. There's like burp marks. Hi. You're really a dad now, daddy. May mga ano doon. Pag nagpa-burp siya kay baby ba. Ang cute ni baby, guys. Kapag busog siya, gumaganyan siya, oh. Oh. Uy. Papanguso pag busog. Uy. Hello, everyone. Baby is now full. So full. No more crying because I'm full. Are you full now? Definitely. Very full. Ate Anika was happy you're wearing Moomin Vatet. She said, no, baby is wearing Moomin clothes. Mimi. Don't want to take a nap? No? Just want to talk and play? Oh, when you're full, you always make your mouth round. Good job. Very good job drinking lots of milk. No. Is the milk good? Her eye study is dark brown. Dark brown. Babies are so calm when they are full and their nappies are clean, the diapers are clean.
Kaikki on hyvin.
Kaikki on hyvin. Everything is good. No problemo. No. No? Oh. Oh. Kyllä. Yes. No problemo. No problemo, baby. No problemo. Yeah. Amang sa walay katapusan, paghigugma ko kanimo, ang kinabuhi ko, O Diyos, kanimo lamang. Sleeping.
She's sleeping.
I'm sleeping. Isa Cisco, big sister, I'm sleeping. Agree. Agree. Diyan naman. Hali-hali na. Dinner na kami, guys. So, yung aming ilta pala is tinapay lang talaga yan. So, meron ako ditong brown cheese, guys. Ito is binigay ito sa akin ni Archie. Ayan. Ito yung famous cheese sa Norway. As in, sobrang sarap nito and I'm so thankful. Binigyan ako ni Archie ng ganito kalaking piece. Kasi parang pinadalhan niya siya ng kapatid niya galing sa Norway. Sobrang sarap nito rin. Yung lasa nito is para siyang condensed milk. Para sa akin ha. Manamis-tamis siya na cheese, guys. As in, sobrang sarap. First time ko nakatikim ng ganito sa Norway. Ayan, sobrang sarap nito. So, kung nakatikim ka na ng brown cheese sa Norway, let me know. Sobrang sarap nito as in. Gusto ko to nilalagay siya sa tinapay na ito lang. Wala nang ibang palaman. So, yung sa kanila, Anika, sila Anika yun. Si Anika doon. Makain na sila ng sandwich. Ayan, siniko kumuha pa siya ng palaman sa tinapay. Yung sa akin, snack lang muna ito. Tapos, ipapalaman ko siya sa tinapay. Sobrang sarap nitong brown cheese. Kaya kami makakapunta ulit ng Norway para makabili ng marami nito. Kasi nung last time na nagpunta kami, guys, parang 2 or 3 years ago na yata yun. Nag-attend kami ng kasal. Parang ilang piraso lang yung slices ang nabili ko na ganito, guys. Dala ko pabalik dito sa Finland. Ayun. So, next time kapag nakapunta ako ng Norway, bibili ako ng marami nito. Brown cheese. You tell them what it tastes like.
It's not so strong, but it's like
Light.
like a
Is it salty?
strong taste. It's not really salty.
Sweet, no?
It's sweet, but and slightly strong, but it's good.
Do we have that kind of cheese in Finland? No, right?
I never see anywhere.
This is only from Norway, guys. Grabe, tinipid-tipid ko talaga pagkain nito. Thank you, Archie.
Oh.
It's from Archie.
I've seen the wishing well, but I don't throw pennies down below. I've seen a shooting star, but I don't follow where it goes. I'm not the superstitious kind. You were always meant to be mine.
Other day, guys.
What happened to your shirt again?
It's a burp.
This is your new fashion. Before you are changing oil.
Just
And,
changed it in the morning.
Why you didn't put work clothes there?
Me, I forget it.
Hello, Ray, everyone. Another day, and we're going Suiko. Maliligo ako today, guys. Tapos after nyan, matutulog na naman ako. Dedede, tapos matutulog, no? Yeah. So, mom already prepared my clothes. Ito na yung susuotin ko today. And yung socks ko, guys. Pang isang linggo na lang to. Hindi na to kasha actually. Pero gamitin pa rin namin para masulit. Ayan. So, maliligo kami, guys. We're going to have a bath. Huh? She's so calm now kasi kakainom niya lang ng gatas. No. Ayan o. Ebidensya, may gatas pa yan sa labi, guys. Nag-burp siya. Very good. Very good, lap-lap. Let's go, Suiko now. Tumae din to, guys. Kaya timing din, ha? Maliligo na siya, no? So, maliligo na tayo, bibilap. Maliligo na tayo. Yay, 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 yay. Dude. Very calm. Come on, let's go. Have a bath. Say hi to our friends. Hi, friends. Hello, Ray. Hello, Ray sa lahat. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our vlog all the time. Even though we are not posting as much because mommy is so busy, daddy is busy. I make them busy. I'm a little person, but I am the boss in the house now. No, you're the boss? Yes. And I don't have neck anymore, guys. Yan. Because I'm always eating. You're growing so well, love. I just had shower, guys, or I have a bath today. Very good. You got scared? You got scared, my love? No. So, lalagyan natin ng Bepanthen yung kanyang sa liig, guys. Mga flaps niya dito sa may kilikili. Kasi, dumidikit na yung skin. So, lalagyan natin ito para hindi siya magkaroon ng pilas. Ayan. Bepanthen. And so, effective 1 day mo lang ilagay. Wala na. Kahit na ganito pa lang na Bepanthen pala, okay na siya. Hindi na yung Bepanthen baby. Buti na lang nagtanong ako doon sa pharmacy. Sabi nila, okay na daw to for a baby. O kaya yung color pink. So, ito yung ginamit ko. And then, we have baby cream. Sometimes oil ang ginagamit ko or yung Ceridal Oilio. Tapos, meron tayo nitong mini diaper rash spray. Pero ngayon, since naligo siya, guys, meron din ako nitong Sinky Voide. Ito na lang ginamit ko. Instead na itong ACO. Kasi medyo mahal to, guys. And itong Sinky Voide, marami kami nito. Kaya gagamitin din natin para hindi siya masayang. Ayan. But pag nagpapalit ng diaper, ito yung ginagamit ni Nico. Kasi mas nadadalian siya nito. Hindi niya na kailangan na spread. Kasi spray lang kasi ito siya. Medyo mahal yung ACO na products but they're so effective. Tapos yung damit niya, ayan. Tapos itong Bepanthen, gagamit ako dito ng cotton buds. Cotton buds. Yan. pang spread ng cream doon sa kanyang kilikili tsaka sa kanyang liig banda. Ayan. Tapos padididiin ko na to. Kasi for sure, gutom na to guys.
That's a straight hair.
Is it?
Tai,
How you combing her hair?
It come as straight.
Is it? It looks like it's like a little bit curly. Father is the one combing.
But you don't have this
What?
like a dandruff also.
Dandruff?
Dandruff.
No dandruff for babies, oy.
Mm.
When scalp is healthy, no dandruff. Diba?
Ano
Ka-shower na ako, guys. Nakaligo na. So, ngayon, dede na naman. Kaya matutulog na to. After. Ngayon lang ang buhay ng ating baby, guys. Kain, tulog, wiwi, pupo, ligo, and repeat. Lalakay si Nico ng firewood dyan sa aming fireplace, guys. Kasi malamig daw dito sa kwarto. Look at how me, guys. How my mom carry me. Like this way, like a koala. I like to be carried like this way. If they carry me different way around, I cry. And ito yung gusto niya, guys. Nakargahin siya. Yan, nakatulog na. She's sleeping. My daddy is cutting a rabbit. So we can eat rabbit. Ganito pala yung karga na gusto niya, guys. Diba? Sus, nagkakidlay. Nandiyan yung taon ng inahan-an ni. Mamaya maliligo na ako. Kasi nakaligo na to today. Mamaya maliligo din ako, guys. Gabi talaga kami naliligo dito. Yan talaga nakasanayan. Kasi usually kapag dating ng daytime, morning, kapag alis na papunta ng work, hindi na maligo. Diretso na yan. Hindi naman nag-work ngayon. Pero yun lang talaga ang nakasanayan. Tsaka hindi na niwala dito ng mga pamahiin na yung hindi magana maligo sa gabi, ganyan. Walang ganyan dito, guys. Kasi mas marami ang time namin sa gabi compare sa morning. Kaya ganun. Yan si baby. No, she's sleeping. You wanna eat rabbit tomorrow, Anika?
One. It's a rabbit blood.
Tätä ei varmaan voi, koska toi on...
Pero hindi pa namin lulutuin pala yung rabbit, guys. Kasi marami pa kaming ulam sa ref. Tapos yung isang leg ng deer is dinefrost ko nandun sa ref ngayon. So, yun ang munang unahin namin na lutuin. Nakatulog na to, guys. So, ilalapag ko na to doon sa crib niya. Kapag tulog na talaga siya para hindi siya magising. Okay. Now I found a new way to carry her because she don't like to be carried like this and like facing any kind of position, but this one is the best. Maybe because it's like she's on like a tummy time.
Ehkä. Anika, haetko muovikassin tuolta kaapista? Mä viittin sotkea käsi. Anika, otatko tuolta?
She's like on tummy time. Carry like this. She likes tummy time, guys. She was so calm. Except today, she didn't like it that much because she was so hungry. Yeah. But anyway, baby's fine. Yan yung mga chicks ko, guys. Mukha talaga to ni Nico, guys. Wala talagang sa akin. I just got pregnant with this baby. Daddy, I just got pregnant of your baby and that's all.
Niin, siellä on nyt tommonen kiinni.
Nee. It's all Nico's. Face, nose, hairline, Maybe the hair is mine, like thick hair. But the color is like a dark brown. It's not really black. You may say it's like black, but actually it's dark brown. And baby is so tall. Nandiyan yung mga socks ko, guys. Hindi na kasya, guys. Yan, o. Hanggang dito. So, once na lang to suotin, guys. Itong socks niya. Ayan, hindi na ito magagamit. Kasi ganyan, no. Malaki din yung mga paa niya. Matangkad siya. Nandiyan naman, Nico. Kayo na mismo ang nagsabi. So, habang babantay ako ng bata, guys, si Nico naman is inaasikaso niya yung pagkain namin. Yung pagkain na pwede namin ma-save. So, ako siya ng rabbit kagabi and save namin yun kasi meron pa kami mga ulam dyan na pwede maluto. Yun na muna yung uulamin namin. So, ito pwede itong ilagay sa freezer para sa susunod na namin siya kainin kapag nag-crave kami ng rabbit pasty or yung atawag nito yung stew. Yun. Well, Nico is preparing the meat and checking.
There's no big bones or something.
Si Pimo is andun sa gilid, nakaabang, waiting if she can get something more.
When you cook this, then the bones will removed.
That is what?
Ulkofile.
Ulkofile of the rabbit.
Tuossa on toinen vielä.
Yeah.
Some do it that they just chop in like this, mutta yleensä mä otan tän fileen. Näin.
May bowl kami, guys, ng rabbit meat. Naka-cross legs ang baby, guys. Ang cute. She's asleep.